Hey everybody, today I want to talk about changing your map reading lights or just your ceiling lights in your Mercedes SLK 200. As we're updating a lot of stuff in the car to LED, we're going to be replacing it with LED lights like this. So I've already taken one of the bulbs out. They look like this, they're kind of strange, but you can see that's the same size. I just ordered those off Amazon with a pack. It's actually not very hard to do. All you have to do is pry open this compartment here. We want to turn the lights off, of course, first of all, and then this pries loose, this plastic cover. If I can actually get this little knife in between here. Well, there you go, just fell straight off. And then we can take these map lights and just wedge them here in the top, like so, and that's holding. Let's do the other one. This one's a little bit hot, but that doesn't matter. Ow, ouchie, ouchie. And let's get this in here. Turn this the right way. And there we are. This is what that looks like. So actually, that's all you need to do. So we'll take the cover and put this back into place. Click that in. And only one of them is working, apparently. So that's a bit strange. In this case then, we'll pop this cover off again, like so, and try to figure out why this one is not doing anything. It could be that one of the LEDs is actually broken. So I'm going to take one of the old bulbs. There we go. This is very annoying. So one of the LEDs is actually not working. Ha! That was actually just a false alarm. It was because of my settings. So if I put that back into this position, now none of them work. And then if I... That's good, that works. Put that here, there. And there we go. Door open and the LEDs are on.